Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this Dutton-Lainson StrongArm electric winch with remote and pulley block. This 120 volt AC powered winch is going to work anywhere AC power is available with this 10-foot 3-wire grounded power cord. This winch has a load capacity of 1,200 pounds and a double line capacity of 1,800 pounds, and that rating is based on a 10-foot pull. It features a built-in handheld remote with a 10-foot cord for loading and unloading and run and off functions. And this has a dynamic motor brake and a mechanical friction brake. The dynamic brake helps bring your load to an immediate halt without coasting, and the mechanical brake locks the reel to hold the load. The spring-loaded clutch lever allows you to release the load without power, providing smooth load control from locked or freewheel position. It will automatically return to the locked position when released. So as you can see right now, I do have this on the freewheel position, and then when I begin to move that back to the engaged position, it just automatically springs back. Of course, that freewheel option is going to allow you to bring this cable out to where you need it freely with no restrictions whatsoever, and then you can just pop that back into the engaged position. Now this has a flexible, high-strength 7-strand by 19 gauge galvanized aircraft cable, and a pulley block and snap hook are included for that double line pulling. The cable is 50 feet long, again making it great for that double line operation, and the safety snap hook will keep the load securely attached, and the wire cable can be swapped out for a 2-inch wide strap if you so desire. Now, double line pulling is achieved by taking what I call the main hook here and hooking it somewhere close to the winch, and then you will just pull with this pulley block and snap hook. That's how you're going to obtain that greater pulling rate of 1,800 pounds. An emergency crank comes standard that you can use in the event of power failure. You would just simply remove this cap here on this side of the unit to access the area where you can use the emergency crank handle. And the heat-treated gears are going to provide smoother, quieter ride and greater strength. The precision needle bearings in high-load areas are going to create low friction and promote longer life. Now, I'm going to tip this over here just a little bit to show you here the die-formed base, and that's adapted for quick mounting applications. I do want to point out that the base hole pattern, measurements, and diagrams can be found on this product page to help you determine if this is going to be able to work and be mounted for your application. Now, this is made in the USA. The high-impact, weather-resistant case is going to provide excellent protection for your internal components while at the same time being safer than open reel models. The brushed stainless steel front plate is going to offer superior rust resistance, and the current draw is 6 amps at 120 volts, and electric winches should be used intermittently. Maximum continuous runtime is 4 minutes. The gear ratio is 189 to 1, and the cable dimensions is 3/16 of an inch in diameter, and we mentioned its length at 50 feet long. The load speed for no load full reel, that's 17.5 feet per minute, and a full load full reel is 9.5 feet per minute. And I measured the winch earlier, and the overall length is 11 inches long. The overall width, including our clutch lever here, the overall width is going to be 9 inches wide, and the height here at the highest point, we're sitting at about 8 inches tall. Instructions are also included, and that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.